Children, we were doing this. Which state is about 8 times bigger in area than Sikkim? Uttar Pradesh, Tripura, Maharashtra, Himachal Pradesh. And about how many times of Punjab is the area of Rajasthan? So let us start. Now Sikkim, this, less than half. So the answer is less than half. Then you can see here Himachal Pradesh is less than half, so full 1, 2, 3. So you can see here more than half, so 1, and then 2, and here this area also. So Himachal Pradesh is the correct answer. Now see Gujarat and Rajasthan we will compare. So Gujarat 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, more than half. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose that we are taking here. So here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, more than half, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and maximum when we'll take small in this way. So you will get 7 times Rajasthan's area is greater than or more than Gujarat. Okay. Now see here the sea. Bala is standing on the sea coast and looking at the vast sea. The sea looks endless. You can see. Have you seen the sea? In the picture, where is the sea? Now look for the sea in the map of India. What color is used to show the sea? Mark those states which have the sea on one side. Name one state which does not have the sea on any side. Okay, let us start. So the answer of the first is, have you seen the sea? Yes, we have seen the sea here. Or you can write, I have seen the sea. In the picture, where is the sea? So blue color. In blue color, the sea. Now in the map of India, what color is used to show the sea? Blue color. Mark those states which have the sea on one side. Okay. So one side sea. These one side sea. Here, 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 here. Okay. Now, second is, name one state which does not have the sea on any side. So here also, here also, here. So this state you can see. Water level is here. But in the Madhya Pradesh, no side is the sea. Not any side is the sea. Now see, find out. Look for different maps, compare the different scales used in a local area map, a map of India and world map, etc. Now lines between the states. Sabu is confused about the lines shown between the states. I traveled from Delhi to Haryana, but I never saw any lines on the ground. How do we see them on the map? No, there are no lines painted on the ground. The map shows us where one state ends and the next begins. Oh yes, we paid the toll tax at the border. I saw a big board saying welcome to Haryana. Now he got idea when the girl has explained. Ki painted line we can't see, but one state ends in the map, second state starts, then easily we can know the second state starts. Okay. Now see distances between towns. These are 5 towns. Find out. Okay, what? Idlipur. Barfi Nagar. Oh, I am very fond of sweet. Dhoklabad. Bhelpur. Cholaghat. So children, you can also share with me your. I like Idlipur and Barfi Nagar and Dhoklabad. I don't like Bhelpur and Cholaghat. Anyways, yummy, the food's name. These are 5 towns. Find out. How many centimeter away is Idlipur from Barfi Nagar on the map? Idlipur to Barfi Nagar. With the help of ruler, you measure this distance and then write on the map. So you will write on the map the distance between Idlipur from Barfi Nagar is dash centimeter, because on the map 1 centimeter. So centimeter is taken. So easily you can measure the ruler scale. How many kilometers will you have to travel if you go from Idlipur to Barfi Nagar? So here how you will solve? Since 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometer and whatever distance measured by you, you will write. So this centimeter is equal to centimeter multiply by 10. So original distance you will get between Idlipur and Barfi Nagar. There is a place called Khamanpur. Khamanpur, I can not see here. Okay, Khamanpur. So Khaman also I like. There is a place called Khamanpur midway between Idlipur and Barfi Nagar. Mark it with K. So whatever measurement you have taken, midpoint you can easily suppose that if it is 4 centimeter, so 2 centimeter here you will, 2 centimeter here you will leave, and then the mark K, Khamanpur. So Khamanpur you can mark. And children, no need to draw. You can take Xerox of it also and then you can mark. So on the blank page you will paste the Xerox of this, or you can draw the map and then you can do. Okay, a town called Jalebipur. Jalebipur is also not here, na? Is 35 kilometer away from both Cholaghat and Dhoklabad. Cholaghat and Dhoklabad. So straight. Where do you think it can be? Mark J for it. So first you will find the distance between this, and then change into kilometer. Then 35 divided by 10, so 3.5 centimeter. So from here Dhoklabad 3.5 centimeter you will show the point J, that is Jalebipur. Cold season is going on na, rabdi jalebi, garam garam दूध and jalebi. कोरोना ने सब spoil कर दिया. Measure the length of the route between Bhelpur and Cholaghat. You can use a thread. Okay, so or you can draw the straight line here, Cholaghat to Bhelpur, or thread you can use. So abhi to patang ka season hai, now kite season is going on, so you can use the thread, and that in this way you will measure and then open, and with the help of ruler you can measure actual distance. Okay, now next we will see Ashish school. Okay, Ashish school looks like this from the top. Is the top view. Okay, scale is given. Children, it's a very important scale is. Scale is equal to 2 centimeter equal to 5 meter. Okay. So 2 centimeter is equal to 5 meter. That means 1 centimeter is equal to 2.5 meter. Just a half now. Now see. use the squares to find out how many times bigger is the area of the assembly ground than that of the office. So office, full 3 squares, and assembly ground 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. That means when you will divide this assembly grounds area by office area, so 5 answer you will get. 15 divided by 3, so 3 5s are 15. 5 times assembly grounds area is more than that the area of office. Okay, next. How much is length and width of each classroom? So length and width. So length for area, that means inside. You know the concept of area? Space covered by inside of that object, and length breadth, that means perimeter outside. So when you will keep ruler here, you can see the length exactly 2 centimeter, and 2 centimeter, that means 5 meter length is, and breadth is, you will keep your in this way ruler, you can read here, the breadth is, I think 1.5. So 1.5, that means 1.5 here, that means 1.5. 1 centimeter is equal to 2.5, and then 0.5 is equal to 2.5 and half, that means 1.25 meter. So 2.5 and 1.25 meter you will add, then you will get answer. Okay, so width may be, we can round figure, we can take 4 because is near to. See here 2.5 and 1.25 when you will add. So more than, near to. See here, I repeat, breadth, the idea of breadth, each classroom. So now we can take this classroom. Okay, so you can see 1.5, 1 centimeter is equal to 2.5, and half centimeter is equal to 2.5 divided by half, that means ढाई का भी आधा. तो ढाई का आधा कितना होता है? 1.25. So when you will 2.5, that means ढाई, उसका भी आधा 1.2. When you will add this, you can get near to. So 5 meter and width 4 meter. Now see here, blackboard, map number 8, window, benches, almirah, display board, notice board. So map. All the classrooms in Ashish school look like this. Look carefully and answer. Okay. So first you will observe. Now see, which of this is exactly opposite to the blackboard? Blackboard is here and opposite you can see, that means we can see display board. So here, opposite of blackboard, display board. So display board is the correct answer. Now look at the school map again. Okay, guess and mark where would this be? Blackboard in 3rd A and 7th A. So 3rd A and 7th A, blackboard. You will mark. Okay. Then almirah in 4th and 10th. So 4th and 10th, Almira. Notice board in 5th and 6th B. Notice board 5th and 6th B. 5th is here, but 6th B is here. I think notice board is here. So here we will draw. Last seat of middle row in 2nd. Then display board in 1st. Last seat of middle row in 2nd. Last seat of middle row in 2nd. So in this way. So here we have finished the chapter. Read carefully, and from the next, already we have done this. So complete the chapter in your CW notebook. Okay, bye bye.